Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will understand the basic concept of statistics, and we will discuss what statistics is and why it is important, and what is the difference between statistics and biostatistics. First of all, as you all know, that statistics is the science of collecting data, organizing data, analyzing data, and interpreting data. Now, how do we collect data? Collecting data means gathering information. Okay, collecting data means gathering information. We collect data by asking questions, taking measurements, or observing people, and doing experiments, and using records like hospital records, school records. So we collect data by gathering all these information. For example, if you want to know the average marks of the student of 200 students, you collect their marks from the exam result board, exam result sheet. Similarly, if you want to study blood pressure in the patients, you measure BP using a BP machine and write the values. Simply, data collection means gathering or getting information. Now, the second point is organizing data. How do we organize the data? Organizing data means arranging data in a proper way so it becomes easy to understand. We organize data by making tables, making charts, or arranging numbers in the order and grouping the data. Okay, like if you have to organize the data, you will make a table like marks, range, and number of students, and you will organize them in order. Means organizing data, you are putting the data in an order. Okay, and the next one is analyzing the data. Analyzing data means studying the data to find meaning. We analyze data by finding average, by finding mean, by finding lowest and highest values, and comparing two groups, calculating p values. These are all the ways to analyze any data. Now the last one is interpreting the data. How do you interpret the data? How to interpret the data means first you have to check the previous results, like what is the average and what is the higher, what is the lower, is there a difference between the data. For example, you have two treatment groups, treatment A and treatment B, and you want to calculate the average pain score. So the average pain score of group A is 3 and average pain score of group B 6, let's suppose. So which one is bigger, or is the difference big or small? So it means that you are interpreting your data. So these are the key points related to the statistics. Now I would like to discuss about the biostatistics. Now, what is biostatistics? Biostatistics is the application of these statistics in the field of medicine, in the field of biology, or public health, or pharmacy. Simply, biostatistics is the statistics used in the health and life sciences. This is the statistics which is used in the health and life sciences. Okay, this is called biostatistics. Means, if for example measuring blood pressure in the patients, studying vaccine effectiveness, or comparing the two treatment groups. If I want to further differentiate between the statistics and the biostatistics, statistics is actually used in all fields. Statistics is basically used in all fields, but biostatistics is used in only health and biology field. And for example, business profit analysis, we use business profit analysis is the best example of statistics, and the drug effectiveness study is the best example of biostatistics. In the statistics we get general data, and in the biostatistics we get medical and biological data. And calculating monthly sales, this is a part of statistics. Similarly, calculating survival rate of the cancer patients, this is related to the biostatistics. So this is the major difference between the statistics and biostatistics.